Discover your inner yogi with simple poses that will help you create a strong foundation for your own daily practice. I can't stress enough how important it is to work towards proper alignment versus proving how flexible you are. Every person has a different anatomy and should adapt these moves towards what works best for them. It's important to engage your core. Listen to your body and pay attention to breath in order to determine when you need to reduce or increase the depth of the pose and to feel the counterbalance. Here are some perfect beginner yoga poses. Downward facing dog. Savasana. Child's pose. Mountain pose. Cat-cow. Tree pose. Pigeon pose. Seated forward fold. Seated twist.
Whether you're an athlete, young, active senior, a businessman, a mom, a dad, yoga has a place in everyone's life.